baby a wo bia odi for ewimfo ba something kwekwe bo apase odi hye na dwene mo ka no oye ne nuoma basa emobrowa enyaka ekrafo ye nyina yesno no enti apase ye ntutu mrika na ye mraja pekrom na ye bepie mo ja pekrom a odi na dru be kan ama sebie so ye no ma ya dwene mu ekaye no ye nya yarosa ne ba cho se ja pekrom na wontimi nkwa fe ne number na eda screen so no na wona ne twetwe nkomo se sefata se baby a wo no oba ho na obeye wadoma waye krado se obeba na oba be ne sa edi amawo emfa ho ne baby a wo se wo me krom nzema ato abo se wo kekam eziema tikobo number 1 number 2 wo enyinase wo takrade wo boase ene ne mpotem wo abuchire mpo a oso no be hyehyeye na wabuki na waba na waba be wadom enti fa ne number no na wone no eni nkomo o se ntade hyem adidiem nsuno mu ne nyina no wafa abonebo o se obeye so nice ama won so no enije wipeyo ede ama anope papa ye da sibium as the psibium enkoma Dorifa Vigo Plus Dorifa Vigo Plus be komo asema na metimu ye mede if you say edru no good super extraordinaire edru enkwa na sebie son sebie nyaado se enamu yade etitewo na se wunum bia etu ase kune a enko na sababium yade ne ko me se emma bi mu da hwe oba sebi wasekekao insufita bi fiwase a eba pampe di achi ni nye nika sebi wa utimu nse insansa abobede ewo wonantem bema insansa sebi son sebi nyaato bema na wada roma ajiwo be opa kofi ho nyina aboso ekuro nketenkete eya na hokekao wudwini dwuriga me pacho edru ni ye ba kope eno ane Dorifa Vigo Plus kopebi na no mame na bebo nsem ediamedre available in all pharmaceutical shops around you heba shop be room no call na kwajewode na wonso eno no mame simple wontimi nkwa doctor say why crado so be delivery amount inti friend number na that screen no so no sebie so sebie nyaato say empo HIV money be na abore ni pedue no mu a make am for Dorifa Vigo Plus amount se wonso no bi obeka se me da hospital edro so me no hospital edro enti me no nka ho odi etina ho enkopebi na no na nhade mpacho wo titiatempo no eno ena Dorifa fo akeka bom ena omodia Dorifa Vigo Plus nua hini lutahini nubina eno ena omodia ye enti kwana kopebi na no na bebo nsema medru no wabaka say hey na we na nam hospital and that's the power of herbal medicine natural enke kan we bia eni ho fe number na eda screen so no na wone doctor entwetwe nkomo na obeye wadom edweko mienu we na no pay wo mo agebre edi omo sika asomasne ema ye de Koowaa morning show ebro all the way till 8 a.m. Production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Ura Samdaku Sanso, and I'm a director, always standing by doing an adorable job, Akosia Dumaku Jr. OG Sanso, and a famous, a facial, a board Machidom or MCR. I don't pay me motivational, me dear mom. And sana me bia homachofo na tum ediama still ano me bia homachofo na tum ediama ebisa wo say won potem ho ebia na no wanya kwanya kan de me say ma opportunity bi frame won potem ho awo krono so awo area ho awo ede na ekoso a enye eye nsuo eye light eye den eye baller minimum ede na wo hu ewo area bi a wani nje ho anopai I'm still giving you that opportunity for you to call me and of course voice out na empanimfo enti na wo mo entu ho anamo mesra me say anopai me lines am baby atum no baby atum ede ama wo se ede na nkoye ewo mpotam wo area ho krona owo so no owo hemfa ede na nkoye me say eye baller eye nsuo eye kanea eye den ede na etete MPB nya na ade assemblyman bi nya bibi won opa obeka opa molding ka if only you know what you're saying is true me pacho just call me this morning nature say won so no fatudwa ma Ghana mpanifo nyina ehu de ekoso no mo etu hanamo because won so enyi nipa bakofo ntimi enye emane nye de biada kai hu say president can say we should be citizens and not spectators, so we have to be citizens. Bibi wono ma na mpanifo ni hui but wo ka na draw more attention no mo dimirika omo ntime kro bia so omo ntime ko baabia eni so mo yi omo anamusini but then eya na bibi nkoye still na even anamusini ni bimpo ehui. Voice out this morning. That's what I'm asking you to do for me wherever that you are. Oba na oliwa TV no fefefe na wakasadin kakra ama minim say ade enche we da so asamonai eda wompem nanso minu na edi dwuma no enti no eya na wakasadin kakra mame na mato won kati bebi a obi ano memo akwaba ensa adawase sa no pe television stations no doso nanso no ye hu do nti no uguso ehwe eye Koowaa television Koowaa morning show ochna ye di Koowaa kasa ebebro ochna eboja. Tomorrow we are going your story sir debi eye no makacho say the face of the program no assistant Monday to Thursday no me ma politics because we are in a political season. Yes and she be ekoto aba waba ene ma aba ayeto no you vote no ene ye di yekuri o ka say ene Ghana ya bromo MPP NDC for ene ye kakra kwa hwe kura wutim mitim enti wo say ye ka kosi say eno ma betisa wotu wadwene mu a yetim passport ya say still akra ho nto enti eno ane say ye bekoso na yaka enti emane how say we are doing politics. No, we have to do it. That's what I say. Na ye di fiada na mom na ye entertainment you kwe baby entertainment no cry mo pese ni de bia no sebi Mr. Mekon that's your bro, that's your control edrum maybe a sa ban na nye entertainment be da ye if things doesn't work well for the government me ba cho ebeden ene ya yini ko Nigeria tell them America ye no wo mu disi company for no abomodin evrem e support nti wo mu senior ekoye wo mu nyumto a ekoye na ye nso e ye de no ya kasa ya bromo ene na ye soro ha ene nyina yetim. Let us continue to talk wo ba enya wunja ne say ma bro kona kwa de ope e wo sa wo ya so bedane and that makes you a better father, a better mother, a better guardian. So what I say. Well, and I know pay me motivation me dey my very simple. Be patient in life. Yeah. Your nkofo bebre wasase we so a wo mu ni abotre. Enipa bebre eni abotre. For example, when you be tifie obi abeka chew enipa we sise waka sise o se uti se eh wo mu na yakum. When ya teno kwade akoma na som akoma ni nya abotre enhwe emma enefo abaako mienu miensa na wotwe bi na wotwe mienu enhwe ehu se ade no kra na de beka che me yampa na watoroto enie emma titiru obaako akuti aba opra no bo akuti enso behwe no na entesa wabo maami akuti abo sisi akuti abo bre akuti adidi na tem wo hu senye sanity obeying. You see where patience lies. Nti wo se bibi ni onya abotre. E na abotre ankofo bebre nyenti no. Wo mo ni omo customers ntema ase. Obi ni obi ye business. Abotre kasa tantan mo se nipa ne boafu. Enu ma na ode ma akra nya amfa moko. Enso na wo hia no. Enso se nka wo nya abotre nya kasa denya bibi akrokro bi a ode matematic ode nya abotre o ya chale ye fast bo ho sa me ho chire me. But we need that patience. Ewa wadiem obi be kan se wukunu ti ha e ma titiru wukunu oba bi ti ha wukunu oba bi gina ha e bia na nipa no kro ne ye business oni ne ye business oyo oba nko bia kan sister we de bi oba wukunu no pa bia wo de mo ni na ho oba ha na wagye no hwe obeto wukunu ade amena nya sika e de abehwe wo ene wo ma ye bedi konsacho sister de bi oba wukunu cha umuna yekum ebi na okunu ton paboa okunu ye ma ho adwuma omo mpempam no oma ne omo ye hairdressers ne barbering shop fo ni ade barbesi oba bi be cutting be ma bi be say obehu se ya ka no ho asem tan be ma mu na yekum oba mu na yekum oba hwa na wade nagu relationship na ye basa afo be hwa ne ye na mi sister na temi na de bia no ye meti ye na de bia sa ne osi ba ha no pa bia no me mi ni sa abotre na ye dien ebi kwa nipa no kwa o me to wade bi. When you see customer, be patient. oba de Nyankopon kan fa de hihye hwe abotre ye se wie nkonimdie wonya abotra wonjimi sister bia no ne obi di agro no ne obi twempena na ne boy ni jaye na boy ni se pen back san ba be wie no no be kan na danfo wan se mo kire na pe ade che sister yi hu na danfo sister yi pe we mu na se no si kira ne kwa petse we kunko na fudie ni mu no amane attitude na for you to say sister den e dey na ekoso enipa we dey ba sem na ka che nipa we ya nipa we be ka che me say o ka che me say ni say o say na sanity me tie no e wo say me gidi it's not say look at that minim say wo ko hwehwem no won say enye sanity on so ayi jimi fo ene wonne wadanfo ni ntem aye basa so nka wunya abotra wo boy no so a wo say ja no won fa onko ba bia so hu waka sinsemu mesro eye nyabotre na nipa nyu obi a ohwa na mo kra wo no boy bi tu ana mo bia no okunu bi tu ana mo bia no wadanfo bi tu a na ye ne ya opeso bi wrem no break him. So if you are not smart we collapse okra wade papa bi abom na men ka ho say ubenya abotre ewa brabom. That's all I have for you. For the shishim, you could dibrunya when ya butra with destiny helpers in a big journey from chain. Or customers are papa in a big journey from chain. And conform to few uncle, you feel you know in a bit too. No more do that amount. Say if you're right, won't quantum, then in a Musadani order, then in a Ubiko before say if you're there, say girls, your money, yes, your money, then be someone yet. It's monsters. I mean, well, maybe you realize not to frame me and not pay. Na de how ewo area ho ompotamo ho de wo hu wo kro no so no framing na yentwetwe enkomo. I wanted to bring you the headlines of the newspapers, but unfortunately no, I can't give you. But you know, from next week I'll be giving you. But this morning framing na yentwetwe enkomo ompotamo ho e de na wo hu a enye ensiu enkanea bola minimum assemblyman bi nye na dwuma yi MPB I said the ohudie koso. Come on, please call me. Voice out. Let's go. 17 minutes after 6 a.m. Trevor, me chen will call. Ebi enra went to me and free. Inti anope mama wa kwenya se me asana abidwa for bet na yenkomo caller e wo line. So hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Me pa cho wudi baby a free me free. Me pa cho ma na so kakra ma me.
Okay. Hello.
Me ba cho yetie wo mo anonko. Hello. Okay, unfortunately when Timmy engine so mo share wa manone via Facebook live no e da munyina we live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative some Darkos TV so no you stream live ho enti subscribe to your channel no na comment na share. Hello, good morning. Okay, well me acho eya na wa share e dia my me ko Facebook Koowaa TV so kra ko Facebook na like na share oko Koowaa TV GH na wa like page no na wa comment na wa share na afofo so enye bi ahwe mo ahwe wa bruchi nyina yeda mo ase brapaku. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho wudi any baby a wo frame me free.
Pacho ya frame na ya me kasa free e fiada bokrum Western North region.
Pacho mo anonko.
Me pacho dia ha me pa o me mpata mai ya kwan bi da adabokrum to nkrankwanta. Ese sa kwan ne se obi yare pa na se ka se ambulance me fandi pa na enkwa ofani nduru nkrankwanta na brekum na ni panawu e kwan nye o ka mo se bi si nya kwan o ka so mo se MP nya kwan ise wana me ye kwan ni mai sa di we na ya dia e ha ye wo adabokrum pa ya kwan nye sa kwan no adabokrum to nkrankwanta kwan nye.
Okay, yeah, that's CP one gone, of course. Also, ubit me afraid na iyakoye nim ubi na beka ne kwan de no. Bra beka wo de enya na beka say wa break. What I say? Wo bra enyi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Now what to say?
The pastor my home pa
Yeda nyame
where my money in my pa is sorry I'm about eboa or my Ghana.
Yeah, that's
The go so ata this do not your money. What the problem I have what on this there. There will be Kumase Bana of this out of police at all quarters the Cacrebia. Quite a muche to qualify. I bula kwani livu pa ya kama smart attack bi anya na ji su tu wana mo ena kaka wi ni fi a pra ata lu ya ni borba ko le amisu na atamisu kaka wi ni restaurant na ko pa o amisu ko na be e de ko isi ba ko pa amisu bro kaka na yini bi ho na ye kwan important mo akwa ande pani be da ba ko na rade yini ba ko sei so ta won mi go ufi ya am the problem me ka
okay. Thank you so much. Of course, 20 minutes after 6, we're so free. Na the winner mo area ho say so say kania say baller say day. Wo MP no oma ho. Just say mukama sem kra untiana. So talk to me. Na ye mamu because e ha adwene say to aba nanso ye hontoye. Ya kwanyi na anye. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Hello, good morning. Me pacho wudi any baby a wo frame me free.
Good morning.
Pacho majo so wudi any baby a frame me free.
Hello.
Good morning. Hello. Okay. On Timenka and Tibeka Kofa, Kola for Mr. Wow Frame ya, na with me phone, so Senebea, over Timenka, needed in Como, a mat na de what I say. All right, keep trying. Ofre na etuma, yebetwaso, or frame it na tuma, keep trying.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
I'm pastor. It's just me. I'm keeping you. Not the big journey number 5. Hello.
Pacho mo anong call.
Pacho. It's a Diane. Good morning.
Morning, Majo. So mo anong call, Pacho.
Pacho. You can say you
Okay.
me kwanye ya kwanye si abodo. Abodo me so adwuma ko.
Okay. All right. And you know, Ushema and Ubia complaining about no quine. Ubia say no quine, Ubia say no quine. Maybe so ear of fruits no if I him. Does it mean say ear of fruits no and your jumna? Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Medo, now what to say?
Oh, Emma, my friend, where pa now swear.
Nakopa don't patch me some way pa.
Me patch Reverend Prophet Martin, Adam Kwame by Keshi Road.
All right. Reverend Tiwanope.
By my dear, I can say you come by street boss. Just a share. Into who's a one is for you. The coolness for you. The easy difference for you. Into you. Oh. Into a man or your stremo and penny for my can be said, ye Pamasamo. You're dumb. Oh, and to do maybe I am your hope. Ya, you're not him. Okay, do them crop. I said this time I could near do near so dear bear 5 minutes near the near so. Oh, fridge, me, fridge to say, I say. So, and to do my money, and we were 4 to go by BT here, and to be a moon near my oh, the dear master. There's a noise here do near so, maybe a mamma yaw. You're not hope, just somewhat that. Yes, some could do for you funny dear my kaka. I'm a moya kaka, and I'm a balloon kaka, near balloon. More bunny than a crown near some. I think. I mean, Yamisha.
Nyame ensra monso so also obetimi afre na yakoye name of course yeah, live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV some darkos initiative some darkos TV so no you stream live frame na yenko edian na won potem ho hello good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me don pacho odi ni baby afre me free.
Free, Pasetia.
Okay.
Yes, so here toilet pa look at a canning your toilet back.
Wow.
After this, we used to know so say, baby, Mudia Boron, park it. Your park kekeno. And penny for your car. Your MP so your car so still be on your own. You say you to know be a basa or my basa. Obama said, my YouTube moon you. Moon say. Omunim agro ni di eso baby omuko di agro na way ya kan ma me mo aye ni ezu yen san pack.
Okay, all right. What because school on carry yeah 20 secondary school for ina me chamo ano pay also with me afre oh and
hello, my morning.
So hello, good morning.
Good morning, Obay, my
me pacho me ho ye now swear.
Na
na.
I mean, oh,
na I want to say.
Na do mala kwa na uzwe.
Na yakofo adom. Me so me ho ye pa.
Onjuma dia mo dia da me se me frema bo ma paso. Na mi chamo. Ba kanu so ye here aso touch park ne bi. It's all now there too and 24 mama me.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Nana ya menka ho pa na onye wakoma sade emfa emma. Of course eneno Ghana Nkrata no emunsem no akoye dija. Yes, of course daily graphic for the aba eneno memo what is happening, the headlines in the world of a daily graphic. I will let you know. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
good morning.
Me pacho ye friend here. Me say Hebron.
All right.
Me pacho see apa do my me say day. It's used for a baby. This is uton ade ayen so. Just strengthening for me ya kokomo na spray wo mo buy. Just spray wo mo ngu nua o mo sikam be krum. Na used for no nye bi. E ka ho krampo na say ama akon kra dos wo man. Just spray wo mo omungu ni amemuma ya wate na taasi bi akobe bia no yetie the flower omungu ni amanemu ye to ade omunto ma ya wai the flower enu ana ye bisa wo.
All right, bye my dear. Nyami shall be brave. Also will be to me after 27 minutes after 6 a.m. We're live on Facebook Koowaa TV, live on YouTube Koowaa TV. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Bye.
Me don't know what to say.
I didn't have no pay. I don't want to me.
All right, but you want to pay.
The last thing to say that, yeah, it's okay. Look at my heart. Ghana, we could manage your Pado Dumua. Ghana, a plan to and the two carrot. Carrot, about which in the eye. Yes, young preaching like is never to in your day in your star. This is what I hate to the one. About why? Maybe I plan get a maybe this way you to the do it. You can move in your whole pool. You know what? It might be a target here. After I thought it's talking about the hour. So strong of a it wouldn't be your everyone. That's it. Your package maybe is 2 hours. It might be a 2 hours. Like, you know, when you're 2 hours, it's very area. If the area is very more. I got a chipping to show me the one. Maybe I pay you Hannibal, TP, which means you are going to me. Madame,
You.
That's just the man. You don't need to have them to tell you. Ninja, you get a block. You become a boy. You have to be a swab. You do it. Then I'm very Jeffers go come soon that dark. This is going to be a good thing. You could have said, bad, you get back at night. Bad, you get a night. You are telling you, Messiah. And you got to end it. Bola, you are going to Bola. Let us have the Bella. Now, let me meet you again. it's about to bella by a zoom, but I'm going back to the Babble Banya. You want to be a peggo. I have boy in your name. Let me say, now I'm the case. I'm going to wonder.
Okay.
It's a good to my eye. You can't do good to get it. I mean, Jacob, 1 million. With me, yeah. Brava, yeah, it's different. Don't like the deal. And you go to the Grandra, young woman. That's the years of all. Back in India, a way by ya. It's the club. And you may do a couple from like just go to. I wonder. Yami Jabe, we do Baba.
Mamma, Yami Rabi Mua, Oli Joko, Nanoko, a car, Bainimo, Bebedi, medium de Cabedna Kenzaniala, Moti, Debia more legible, Bevre na Yami Jopapale. All right, I think say, Memfa, okay, the last caller, but hello, good morning.
Hey, no, my boca, no one and come with you. More. The Nantaka watching Bishop of Visa, and not in the Wasi.
I
wish me, why I hear. I wish you made the Okawate. More. Now, I say, a Kosu, no, yeah. In fact, a couple of Abuabuso. A couple of Abuabuso. Quite pass with the consular. Men can not down and hear my cotton. Now, I was here. I'm an MP who on. No, I been to me, almost a little to quite anymore. So, you are for soon. Now, young Bobby Beast. I was our coin. What do you fra? To Mr. Uncle Coco dancing, no branch, but the only thing being what they call this one. What I say, yeah, we have a trouble for no campaign. I'm saying, you will not cost. Your best friend say, the end of the day, also a yen. A man train the years because you just there as not as our anymore. In shoot, you have no money. You're far, you have no money. Me, how much a Japanese society, the National society, but the money, only in the car. In she, I don't know about that. Your money, young or most of money here. One I'd managed to see. I shouldn't be a year or so. Didn't be. Don't be that. You know, Father. The animal will cost you more than last year. There's then a moment about the country. Yes, you can't trouble some more. Also, you. Wow, almost getting to bed. 15 to 20 years. I don't know why am I. A dear parent, why am I? Good depending on if I know I got a parliamentary homogeneous last year. Massa,
okay. All right, I don't think I'll be able to pick any more calls. Fako more 32 minutes after 6. Daily graphic ni be brave. About newspapers no Ireland day and anope and see ye be boring the headlines no ede amama sana abedwa fortnasia yaborum na Ghana komono ye de atwa so ede ama. Go on Facebook, of course, they subscribe to our channel, like a page, comment na share na afufron so Enyebi and Shay. A whole lot is happening in the world of, but seriously, ma menfa Ghanaian Times and I pay the one day abba you. And I said, let me begin with the graphic this morning. Okay, fine. So I'm beginning with Ghanaian Times this morning. Sorry about that. Let's go with the Ghanaian Times this morning. Ghanaian Times, Eddie Ababe to just say, Wager Dam under stage. Eddie NSC. What I say, almost so dear, one more dear, but I would have loved to go into detail of that. I think I may read it Eddie amount, but I will skip and go to the Daily Graphic this morning. Daily Graphic Eddie Abetudra was the 2024 BC slated for the year for July next year. Yeah, 2024 BEC slated for July next year. Abetudra say Sabre die ye meya ombetro no wo mo enya entro one betro next year and to be a ne ba wo school bia no se be son se be nyado on kan hu ne say no senia on pepes no on betro no enya the examination no one more edi akwakoshe eye next year. So the 2024 basic education certificate examination BCE for final year junior high school JHS, of course, is going to be written in the year, July 2024, and see Jenshano and so ewo and some cranny baby no can say they say exams no yen true na ye betronum a next year monje and some publisher. The publisher Eddie Babet you say Baumia will bring transformative change. Baumia will bring transformative change. Like seriously, in SMP and costo but then I don't know. People never as never any I am, of course, IMF LA General Hospital. That's a lot. What is no and media support, democracy, Kujopon Kroma, honorable, or so Ababekasa, Ewo and I don't pay Okofa the Edichum tipped for partner Baumia. Yes, Edichum partner Baumia. Like seriously, that's a penalty or no, and I obey partner a sex vice president. And now question coming 2024 election. We are yet to see pay up this morning a security round. His Excellency Ibe say Omra Bayene Baumia. Yes. Mahama Jobs Nana over Baum. Eddie Yamadi Kaba na afi yeah they and some no ashishe. So while we waiting for member Obabeka no what's not say
Tisa obetimi a we abrantie mujemu yi. Bible say kai obofo omranti brem. Utilize every strength and energy whilst you are youth. And ebema wetimi a relax ewo nkukura brem na senyame amfa fie ti se ne nkrofo du musika akoto insurance ne ade a akofo adu si wo mpia just 15 years ya. Na so wo niam ba ku mienu bia you can survive. But if you be depending on government bond ne ade a yen fit afu in the tia ben mu a and now appreciate how ye ma menum ne nananom a omaye investment with the various banks a akufo ado afọ musika ne ba umia afa wo musika. Where is the money? Advert be a buy yes in a sika no way. The money has been invested in government bonds. A buying na ato on the coupon amount kran beto. And on your conscience, a baby say me do sika bema. Sika na bi di bi niam bebre. Nti se nipa na ye ready wo baji sika no. Na abai ka che ne se sika no on yam fama no a. That is private, that is in him. One problem they say, ye go school ye sua de kakra at the various tertiary levels. ye try say portfolio investment, government bonds and government instruments are the most safest financial instruments. Internet abai we define all business logics. Every business logic I can say government investment and government bonds are the most safest financial instruments. And now this is about buying some. Where is the money? So one fire. And you're nafa. Into a buying tree was won't you and then the then him no go as here.
Oh, come on. They don't have any come say your office car, we are TV kakra, we are radio kakra, we are that's where I was coming from.
I'm saying that I was saying me cover every aspect. You see, Bible say na ne fear be a two coin. Na coin na what to no a farm master or friend ne staff, the workers. So maybe more 5 talent, or maybe more 2 talent, or maybe more 1 talent. And it's what your abilities can perform. Now we utilize the words how we are brandy. Now, into radio kakra, sika kakra, acting kakra, bibia kakra, talents and yamede man.
But that's good though.
Sure. Debbie, and on a President Mahama Ekano. President Mahama say you be a 24-hour service business. So what you say? It depends. It depends on how you see. You beef up security and you beef up infrastructure. So lighting system is so good. We enough electricity megawatts. Until yours is to utilize it and get people to pay for it. Until we put the various necessary infrastructure. No, we lighting system will be bia. Edwa na jua. See, police if we do na jua. Bebre na nso na wo barracks na kakra bi na wo krom. And so you deploy them. Until betimi enya, obi betimi free 2 a.m. akokrom akoto ade asaba. It is possible. Ukwa brochia. Bebre wo no mo ni recruit fie. Enso we kwa no pa we ba na jo. They meet twice in a day, twice in a week. But they survive. Why can't we do that? You perceive economic boom. These are the things. Innovation. President Mahama.
So previously he didn't know. Now that I feel now what's not
can do everything within the dispensation. But economy ne no. Now we explore baby akufado dia bedri. The only way to beef up employment is to be strategic. This is what MPP is lacking, including Dr. Baumia and Nana Akufado. Some President Akufado they was say, "Wabre, nyoba no babe." Ona de kan e da omokoto November.
So I say Ghana for my bro and say it.
Or say near all ban ne be here free amani e wo mu.
He knows he can continue the good job he started.
Menche nyina no asempacho. Or say near all ban no e ne betimi ade obeyi ne fie beyi ne fofo ne betimi abaye. Na ono amu de wabre. Wa miss step. Na miss steps wabre onya ne ya kiato aba. Wabre wa memu no say obi ka say 4 years no crown so me. 8 years no crown so me. President Kufuor Beko no see enya no 5 years, then 10 years. Ye de just 7.5 years ama Kufuor do wabre. Wo je na firi akonya no so, onya kene ya to aba mu akotra fie.
Wadwen.
Enya ma adwene ono na bia na no kan I am not putting words in his mouth. Ono na kan.
But he didn't say I will send come out to aba no makwa akojema home.
That is the interpretation. The urban eba behwe na what is currently dollar 12 cedis. Dollar so be found 4 cedis. So you see em to bomo President Mahama. And the dollar that could do 12 cedis. What are you waiting for? That better be form. That is not what you promised Ghanaians. Maybe $30 so, matete petrol so. Now check the petrol price at the pumps. Minu nyina ye top ye suka, ye top petrol. O to ana is eknimu. Can it top money na ni year din and the petrol ni year din. To be no park can.
But say you inform so because say baby I din.
Na President Mahama dey na inform so. Say petrol be go 15 cedis na President Mahama inform so. But say MPP for any media. Womo ka Mahama ho nsem bone am obi di to hye ni botom. Koma etete ya ko hu ba bia President Mahama kwa asore a. Enkoko boni tuo wa asore dey ma dey a petrol boy 15 cedis. Dr. Baumia and MPP for yin enumu dwanye. Amonoma Dr. Baumia, amonoma.
What are you talking?
Amonoma Dr. Baumia.
One number says.
Amonoma. What has more kind?
Okay.
15th May 2015. Petrol called 12 cedis. President Mahama Ghana for say, I feel so sad for the ordinary Ghanaian to be who is already impoverished in this excruciating hardship to be buying fuel at 12 cedis. Sansem we no mkeka ye o. Etie de ne MPP fo nipa Ghana for koto abama President Mahama koto abama President Akufo-Addo ene his vice Dr. Bawumia no. Ne nim se petrol be ko 8 cedis.
Was it not a political talk?
It wasn't. Were a lot of economic lectures. I said Dr. Bawumia say woni madwuma. Say wo monoma. One Ghanaian economic perspectives na kasa kra won ti ase. And there were cedi ni sa na cedi ne ko. Opedo o petrol sa na petrol ko. So at the end be ye hwe ama wo. Even one kasa wo chief appointer who is the president. Ese wabre. Who would have so here? I now understand why in every business sense, when there's a merger or takeover, every staff, including top management level, boards are dissolved, top management level, and every staff is asked to what?
Go
or reapply.
Okay. No, tell me.
So will be papa be ya. Kawo de boy man survival. Ain't in a multi business I say why there's a merger or there's a takeover, absolute takeover, your palm will be a free.
Okay.
Dr. Bawumia, who are the Papa Biyama President Akufo-Addo? How can you? So you studied an economics. You are.
But it's true.
You are a researcher. And to buy, you know, any theories so propounding now. Why has all the theories failed?
I didn't know still on it how way.
I didn't know bet me. I didn't know bet me. Besu swake shoma. Penifose agrobeswa ifra nopa. Ediana Dr. Bawumia ebetimi aye. He has nothing to do.
This is a dollar now stabilized.
Edian stable.
I stable.
Ghanaian perspective of stability now what can I say? National understanding of stability.
But when first now I want to say, oh, he said in a dollar no, and I say question. We are not hearing that as we used to. It is just said there.
Yeah, they knew say my mere 1 year in yen so your bass so you so a cocoa, so a tinting, and you're on the way.
Okay.
The Ghana for himself petrol and as a dollar was a 4 cedis 20 pesos as at a day after a show some mama was swear.
Okay.
You catch a Ghana for the your Mahama and this way. A coto abama.
Okay.
Into Ubana petrol now was your Mahama yen tuno. Na petrol dollar 4 cedis. 20 pesos the alabraka yentimi more businesses you ubekum businesses capital na businessmen disikata wachi Ghana for di milika homachi dollar 4 cedis the yenti bida enti wo the dollar na kodu 12 cedis and yen sorry da ben enye na watwe ne yakosa line because ye pe watu ne wodi wini Ghana for adwen ene Ghana for akoma eno to today, as a president, Akufo-Addo, was a failure as a government, and Dr. Bawumia is equally part. One quite the economy, on the one in Sase, or no by convention, or but Dr. Bawumia is head of economic management team. And when you understand the economic structure of every economy, there were about 6 or 5 facets ministries are a kaboom.
Okay.
Roads, and in the first roads and transport.
Sure.
Or trade and industry. Or energy. Or works and housing. Or agriculture.
Okay.
And our banking and finance. 6 industry, 6 big institutions.
Okay. All right.
What's a winning economy here, pa? Minister be on performing. Will be recommended for reshuffling because money.
Yeah.
When me to President Akufo-Addo say all these 6 ministers so many na bonbon enti efa nipa foforo mehyehye no almost tactics nka
enya mo amuti ekire na mo hu ni sisa but then for them mo hu ni say they are not performing.
And I make say you see you go school near the terminal reports my they will try 15 over 100 and we will try 80 85 over 100 yemi no one ekwa no jubility sabe dey tunyu bi say where the awie account sorry where the awie account sorry one more the 2 million awie account sorry on tro ya bobu enti wo na wo ji hu dey say wa ben a the teacher back or say this year some people will not be promoted.
Yes,
they will be repeated.
Yes,
e wa obi si enimi ho
ai me
ya no ma ya bon ye ni ho e na yanum so ye free form 1 e form 2 so
yes ye ni ho
enti wa bon anya na wo be kan wo woman no testimony na be chere say wo nyaade and that has come to play. Dr. Baumia want the economy na say wo mo e school no mo we baba ko twere ni bia ba ka say implementing what you've learned so far
want to implement it here ma mo say yes
but then what me implement it Dr. Baumia will say o ababia wo dollar be kosuru bia no we are incompetent one of the bro no buy incompetent everywhere.
So are you trying to say he's incompetent?
He's super.
Come on, why are you adding super
incompetent? Super incompetent.
Should look at drone, look at
drone won't be that.
No, it won't be.
Hey, woman call TV said the drone about what will be.
No, but seeing na hui.
The entire Dr. Baumiano and your drone.
But at least he's been able to implement something.
Now I never own ye baby. Yes, so more than so any. What son? One monoma. I'm monoma. Dr. Baumia. One monoma. One nim near why. All Banasa and the Cassiety and Cassania why come on. I was sending you my answer come. A Didian Quan or Fast House.
Oh, that's will be a diddy.
There be. And you can wear the area near Koowaa, then you'll be on one movie. Obia the money Koowaa. No more the cook movie. Tabra report shows some more better where the area account. Who baby I won't go fee.
Oh, Jackson.
Some of me said, Dr. Bamia, Radiname. Is a woman croma. Ah, Dr. Bamia, the Mahama. I feel that you know by Yekuma.
Is it not going to be, a super challenging election 2024?
It is you, the media, who are going to make it so.
Yeah, dear,
Most and 12 one moved to draw now your so much MPP at idea was here. And they've lost the tenants of the
come on.
Oh, I'm telling you. And now what's in Zambia and Kofobi? Young Fred Dr. Baumia and Mahama debate. Are you serious? Media for any view. And I can see Fred Dr. Baumia and I'm saying, now one more sabi. One more being
but I say, be braco soda. Anna,
Nabi. I don't know about 8 years in any debate. 2020 was there any debate? 2016 was there any debate? Why 2024 to debate?
Does it change something?
It changed something. It changed something very seriously. I didn't try. Yahunu modern born, Yahunu modern born. So a matter of each and every individual compare. Each and every individual compare. Obia was say we top petrol 15 cedis a board and then and they will buy the top petrol 60 cedis. Percentage increment 500 percentage increment. Now say na woka say wo be ya e gaga for beto amount.
Say na me person me bisa o say on share that say o mane boa ye dey.
But mama dey share that so mane boa ye.
Oh, I didn't say that.
Debi ade na benchmark na ye dey to your mama. Sa benchmark na ye dey to president Akufo-Addo and Dr. Baumia ho.
Okay.
Ehun say why ya na went to me anye. Who say petrol bo 15 cedis ane boarding. Say who petrol bo no 16 cedis. 60 cedis. Enti no mumienu. Sabi oba fefe. Ades adikode no phone kure mi. Cover bibia the same. Shop way 15 cedis. The same brand, the same spec. Shop way 60 cedis. Miniaba. No dey 15 cedis and 1,005. Any the same to dey 6,000. Not the same specs. No one need 1,005. It's any ball for chance. We 6,000 any ball for chance 5,005. Now, sabi who knew what? A great insult to your conscience and intelligence. A did the attempt here. So we be catch or say dollar 15 cedis, dollar 4 cedis 20 pesos. Then the dollar 12 cedis 20 pesos. Then the panakato on only 12 cedis. No, sabi you. Enya adupedi for money more ne bo air for chain 15 cedis na oni watem wa wutie sa asem wuji tumu a obu se wuni sabi o wuni mu nyansa ti no be ka che obi a no wo be fa na sa na Ghana 40 tabi enye wenya to abama o Dr. Baumia ba kosua ne meko usue ni siwa ukra 5 cedis.
Well, okay, you've said
kosua ne meko
okay
usue siwa wudi 10
and you do anything.
What me to
person born and PC, born and PC.
And I'm so person boko suani me kwa PC a. Who we 5 cities say be hwane ma akoma ko 10 and amount. Would you now you be check?
As about you say.
2 Ghana me ko 50 pesos.
Okay.
And na ko suani me ko ba ko 30 pesos. 3 cities.
3 cities.
Nti wo hia 50 pesos ma akoma ko nsia. Ade ko sua ba ko. And no frɛ ko sua. On say man ebedu nyime na na so mo. Ko fotimi ni. Enso ko suani me ko wutra ka mu a. Ma hwane for ma me. Bo se ko for wani. Udi ne wo pe. John Mahama we etiso no. John Dramani Mahama etiso no ko sua wudi ne ope. Akofo adoni Dr. Bamia amonoma. Eba ye. Ko suani me ko ukura 5 cities a. John Mahama mbere na wo to 10. And then ukura 5 cities e ma ba ko.
Yeah, baako. You be more than that. You more than that. And you know, for that one day, no, we meet them on the street all the time. Two Ghana cedis. Actually, so me, no,
no,
go there. You see, you're starting.
I'm not starting. But me say, Osuani me ko dey say adum dum
na. You know, you adwuma. As I me we say them say just say be.
Mobi misa se kosu.
Oh na say no kwe. Ene no wo ko ba bia. Wo kwa wa otimu se kosu ani me kwa sama okay. Wuti ebi ye de ba ko ma 2 Ghana cedi. Ba bia ni ho kosu ani me ko ba ko. No. That is true.
Kosu ani me ko. Eye 3 cities. Dabi kosu ani me ko. Sample se me fa no.
Anti me posa me kan say wo benya mienu ati.
Wo nya mienu.
Se say 3 cedi.
3 cities.
Ene me nya share 3 cedi. Me de me share 2 cedi.
3 cities.
Surface no.
Kosu ani me ko 3 cities.
Okay.
Eno kwa wanya no 2 cities 50 pesos na nkiti ni bia na onya ko akoko oto kese na 3 cities. Jade baje wo 3 cities. Kosu ani me ko 3 cities. Ya mama president. Ke beto kosu ani me ko ba ko 10 cities. Uba na I did milk, Oba na I did milk, and an animal.
Just so into Unya who said a normal system.
I did milk, and then perform to me no milk. I did milk, Oba, I did milk. Now a 2 cities, 70 pesos.
And I say,
and then I did milk, baby 80, baby 9 cities. I did milk. Otona hold you had the end and woo. To Otona doom. Now turn residential areas will be a coffee shop, my piano padia. And only a Dr. Bamia, I'm monoma. One monoma. And ya what kind monoma, dear said the main to us if a panel and say, I'm monoma, who is side. Football near back here, Fana Bidden Kong. Untan wo nya we wo munyini film.
Oh, Jackson. No, me ba penny what na say Christian Opokwajiman or MPP Ashanti Regional, communication team member, Papa Koowaa.
Thank you, lady.
And pay me power tadi no.
Masha
na say blue kakra. We do much na say and to question na say na ye pay ho say mo ba say dey ma from who fie no na say mo tare na ya de ko mo ba na masha da be kaje egum sa na ye techira na ye kun say blue be say mo kun ye dey yan kun wo say mo stress afaba.
Thank you. Lady, my first akonya was Jaminchi MPP for nyina, especially Uba region Ashanti region ha. Chairman Wuntumi, the regional chairman Mechiano. Na makasi nyankopon ye den kan ho. Na me komi ankasa me constituency ya Manse West.
Okay.
Manson kwanta constituency, Manson kwanta mahene na bikusi apia the second. Manson kwanta mahene na pia na no pe na mechiao na makasi nyankopon ye den kan ho. Na me mfanchi akasie emu oduru ema his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one ne hokani. In fact, tama ye kwa contest Justin mo de almost enya dia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be benya fifi kote kura de chese waye no hosofu bia on de commission on de wo hye senya dia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se bere bi dura MPP for beto aba amaneta ba go be so good atamfu nyanya menti delegates for ejina say e beto aba ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because of nim dia owonti eti nyame ya adom no omoto aba na yede ma no nti de be ka tra delegates e wo MPP fo nyina se nyankopon kire omo nyina mako ni ade papa omotimi ya de aya ma ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na na ye pe no In fact, omotimi de naba dia. Menim say no ntina Jackson tia o kekem no because omudi omusuro Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kokoko.
I didn't know omusuro.
Omusuro in a sense that under the Fourth Republic by vice president our born homoden pa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. JD obey vice president. Vice president obey yet in whole committee. Chrono bono kobo in yet in whole committee. Sawuti basa. Yes, set it one person the president must yes set it up committee about him. Because also go to play no one kasa president or instructor say na nam say chrono mentality when it tribute okoye
na say ko bo chrono anke be hwehwe mi
oh na say ebas na boboba boboba
e kana na do buy nko betimi aka say
ebas na no official why can why
wa bo chrono ntin ke bia
me say wo de lady wo de wa ebas wo de ebas issue no just motia wo de men kasa ho bebre
okay
no kasa matina me du be yitum matina me du na kasa be yitum say ebas kanda na de JDM wanya de wo ono ankasa ebe kan ti ohono de wo de ma men post da de ti America ni han say eti no de America say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de wa ba just to break it and nothing NDC for here ehhehye wo mba me say wo de akan ke 2024 election e be duru na duru so a ye be show mo da ma bibi etima here aye kama yes ye be show mo da so you
think Bawumia his excellency
oh say de akase papa kan akan wo se show that say a transfer e de akọ NDC eni MPP mbi
show that ntimi akọ
da bi anso enti ye say ye be transfer de akọ NDC for so ama bibi etima here
omo so
oh bibi eni no JDM obi eni me track record dada e de no baby
doesn't matter
JDM no man confirm to cover kina
obi awaye bi pay dey
I don't why o me da dum so many years I don't know dey ban
go dey dey na me nchen dum so e no akwasa me da sum
oh na wo da sum ma is it permanent issue obi wo afa pa wo kofi a says to say it offer e no kranti Messi JDM time ke ma ware go be buy because wo kofi e kra chi sa France light ni wa chi sa kwetena ba bi twa bi nyina so no e ba woni so ensem be e na ade dey we e ti JDM time dey enya dey etimi e dey e boa e lady
mo de ye hia mo awo ho na nipa anya hwe yi a ahwe ti aye do betina so ye MPP ni aha be ka so ye NDC ni ya se din ka to amamna nya de mi fi no wono ankasa no woni be bia me wo tine me nya to abanko ade me wo mu nyina mo ho
zanet ye wo be bia
wo mu nyina mo
wo be bia
woni hwe ka fam talk to zanet ye mu ransim nim madaro na no pe no me pese me bisa mabedua for ya chance say no his excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana, Papa Mahama, and of course His Excellency Vice President, now flag bearer elect His Excellency Bawumia. Womumienu sebie son sebie nyado speculations be braba say dear why obey any vice. Why no we ni send advice? Why na Papa Mahama ni send advice? Why na Bawumia ni send advice? A whole lot of names and apopia up and ukopiem cry or MPP for aka chesi o and Bawumia cry obey ye Papa Chairman sign din wo mu bi and Julius Debra din wo mu bi Papa just a whole lot of names. Now Abeja Fatina si mbese metoma wo mo sha why and His Excellency Bawumia be no yi no krampa esrobi wo ha na ma menfa instati influence so my MPP man.
Oh okay. Lady I think say
yes Christian
meda wasi bi on opportunity was answer there am I think the frabera issues now so far na bana NDC for nam so musro Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ntun so montimi nyi om frabera moto aba on the 13th of May besinde just some incompetent maybe me
how I dream when you say me wura mo ntemu omuntimi nyi om flag bearer omuntimi nyi om vice ntemu de any say
omo running mate omo koto eyi omo ankasa flag bearer AJDM 13th May and so far be ability party up to nebi sisi mbiri muntimi nyi running mate common running mate kura no be almost be 5 months muntimi nyi ya.
Okay.
Now won't mean ya head pa na chese o ma we you betima ba be disubie. I say chese JD or incompetent. Everywhere he goes, o show mo bia de incompetence in the JD chese woni mu a because na minim say bia May, June, July, August maximum there. Yes running meeting timi de eba. At this time what me atena kwa ma ye ya ba beto ye de ewi say ye de me say at maximum 2 months the running mate will set in so far team say dia be ba bonten de bebre na anim ba ye mu me de yenim de obetima ye running mate na mana ye de ayi ya ma bibie tima ye de aye kama etino I think say ye kasa ne nyina du ba bia ye de be hihye ma bibie tima ye de aye kama ba running mate de say so on say both MPP ni NDC
obi anyene de
ba o pe party odi kan yi ne frabera ye NDC for say de make no na wotu opposition po na we incompetent yi na wo baba betena o man ni nyina aso etimi de make catch Daniel so
in the sense say when you running mate in
yes we incompetent
but that shouldn't be the case.
It should be the case. It shouldn't be the case because what to about 5 months in here obi o wan kasa no obey running mate ntimi nyi na ntimi nyi dia idea biem
na say about what Brennan so
there be o about what Brennan so say we say go in running mate come set up on agenda na be
okay
running mate no o ru obetima play what you say na wunyi ni they say we ni impromptu e dey ru pa na o dey man so play
okay
ye hwe de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne na Nana Akufo-Addo ye ya Nana Akufo-Addo oyi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2008 no as a running mate no every time bia one way there or the neko and na me kire say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in terms of the vice president in the what experience here dey esino bia aye de o man hye nsa because of the experience I wa gather in opposition 8 years as a running mate a substantive vice president almost 8 years no papa na gather experience and I mean him say your running mate in there very soon and very soon I didn't bet my day abama bibi et my day kama menim say din bebrebe na popia me ankasa me papa Matu Poku Prempe doctor
the din wo na po
din wom me dey me friend Dachine din wom kese e na me ankasa me papa nso education minister
no so
say educho ono so no di wom
o say chairman
ya ankasa papa o say chairman sa nso e dey wom o ko ejeso a ampontua kuma doctor ono so di e dey wom o ko bekwaya ya ankasa bekwa jo wise
yes ono
so di e dey wom e di wo say ya ankasa dey was squad ankasa MPP4 yes squad nso uncha
intend for the municipal
no mo squad anko mo bre 5 months here omuni squad o
but what then as a worker said me yen when your problem because why is it so me running mate you don't know what I'm doing underground so you shouldn't say that
lady where you underground sempia incompetence na ne wo because me see ye de enche 2 months ye bi
obi ne running mate na incompetence
now running mate unim role play
mena nipa we na sebie so ebia me dateable ebia wo to sebie so wonim nipa me date no ebia me date Jackson and mena me say me mfa Jackson chire me twen day no yasen be ware me no wo be hu no
na is not
I don't know incompetent
that is not necessary ye kwa akoto aba necessary wo so pe minor baby so na nipa obedi wachi no untimi nyine ntem ado no ntem na Ghana fo ehu ze say nipa we ampa obetimi abo wa I know the atie we boy say mo we national issue ni aka o what you say national issue we individual there na wo kan o what you say but ye in a national at the end of the day you say o man ni nyina mu kuni say ampa je ma say oba bedi o man so no oba bedi o man so dia running mate ye de e wo hene eti we dia bia nipa obesan so abeyi ni no so na obesan so ye de ana me chiro mu say yankasa wo de ye hwe running mate ya bbo ya NDC for pa running mate ati say Julius Debra ana ya papa ya wo ya o mo frɛ no Ashanti region one of the Ashanti region yibi so ofriaji so baby me refini di ye de kakra so far timi say din abeba na ayi na wo pe obi di na ye running mate ato force mu nyina din aye de abeb ato force pedigree be na ato force wo no de baba ye running mate pedigree be pa no wo wonu kra mu scandal born ho a wo so far no ogina court den a rofa se de ye de ato esia tu mu no sa bi no one way betima aye de aye no etini mani bo amesere mo say mu choose mu running mate na mu choose ne carefully
okay
sabe ya at the end of the day no sa running mate na mbe choose no yemfa ne ko gina court ma mo ho ye de enkere mo because this MPP for say ye ni abere wa this ka bia se de ato esia ye de na to mu no wa this ka bia wa NDC me se nuru na sia no mu nyina be pam ho toma one by one na se ye be jeli mo said yes say no yenya ye ni abra ye de ye no ye metena ho na monye na mo ni disika wokwaje IMF sika e de baya aba chama banks ni nyina e na so far na capital bank o mo chese o mo de said ye Supreme Court kind and this will they create they loot and share
all right
sikadie no nko abasa sa na o me de mu die tigana for her send this for so be you mo running mate so mo nyo mo fam support nyina ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na wonyi ne running mate o best Sabaya o man betimi a progress ma mo nya ne se 2008 die ni bi said ye hye o man no best toto ho saa na ndisi beji o mo san so se no die code so mo no mesere se ma mo nya se bi nti mo form support ma Dr. Mahmoud.
All right, thank you so very much Christine Opokwajima or MPP, you know, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member Jackson Darling Adena till now JDM in a running mate
Minya one say MPP for na to them running mate a common choosing.
Okay.
Omono, they have nothing better to offer. In TSA, and quiet for and sini bi aye den e can be running mates any flag bearer easy contest ma wo normal contest. Enti wo mo hye dan hwe pedigree and share what the acumen, the strength, the innovation you are bringing onto the fore. I'm checking. Unipa biya ni atam. Said the don nana do kotan Dr. Bawumia. Wa me bono me ya. Wa me PPA ni me guasi. Say ya. But o share the level of acumen, the level of strength, the level of integrity.
Okay.
Yeah, mami na jenopoku. Ajimai at the bar NDC mu ye no as running mate ye ko 2020 election baby a ye lose ye I was central region and the western region in 2016 election through the prowess of Nana Jenopoku.
Yeah,
ye winning ye ni MPP for ye purchase our seats in even central region we are now leading the seats in central region. Western region maybe a lose we were able to clinch some of the seats again. Okay. And you be an idea running mate. On the running mate on fancy kitchen works. But yet you say governance is serious business. It's no be a can have a coffin. And into your train you saw back where you are. No one my yeah. No see. Obia Obama was training. Obia Obaya chairman of police council. Obia Obeye chairman of economic management team.
Yeah.
What understanding do you have in the Ghanaian perspective of economics? What level of integrity are you bringing to the fore?
Yeah.
And you Obia keke. Chado muso mdombe yo mudi say because chacha damen wo moto. Oh, chacha no see that ko no.
Maybe I don't mark a certain so my plan that nipa we say we win
MPP amanjoko ne wo say no. Any crop of leaders ya bobo mudin. Why na ebo number? Why na the area? Why exploit me and so you better? Why?
Thank you for Napo area on
Napo then Napo education minister then wo koye double track.
Are you sure?
I am telling you.
Are you sure?
Napo na Akufo do kase me ni swadi hu ni se Messi 300 new secondary schools. So once the president speak in that manner, it behoves on you as a sector minister to uphold that dream and make it reality. Now the 300 secondary schools Napo is saying across Ghana.
JDM said he was going to build a whole lot of schools. How many did he build?
And he built, how many did he start at 123? Completed 46.
29.
Let me tell you. IMF, called the Abre MPP, he said 29. I mean, this proven when you have a good program, these multinational agencies and bilateral companies, they look into it and see where they have money to support. One say UNDP near them, they support education, human health, and the rest. John Mahama can say, the Niswadi only say, obesi community day secondary schools. I'm a various communities now crowding and accessibility. Are easy. I'm a Ghanaian student, Ghanaian parents, Ghanaian peoples. Or can't ask them now. or the court to IMF when say when me project and person me IMF say okay so who so be see 120 be see 200 yeah as IMF you be famuka you be famako 26
okay
nti ye ni swade hu papa ye se ne all fruit dua pa no
any piano
what you say nti dua pa jo ma IMF no na IMF se me so wasene a sponsor mu 20 amawa o se nya on the see na MPP na dey buy whose tenure did IMF donated those amounts your tenure ye juma papa ye nti NDC ya IMF so yasene and yes no so IMF na sign contract they only gave us the funds and we utilized them so you see 46 you we 46 near starting 123 you we 46 nanado we 300 secondary schools away none only be the
not even a single one
when I make a chira wo ba ku bi na me hu say omo si no ayi yesef and stem
but at least won't be
but obi si 46 na untwa one na wanya say uzi me hu ba ku I've not been propaganda discussing me hu bi but on the scale so what started saying now what we are saying over 7.5 years John Mahama Yusuf 4 years this was his dream
and he did
he finished 46 and you had 8 years you have only one to your credit. It's a shame.
Only one
that I have seen. They should publish it and let's do the analysis on it. Yeah, the Omwa Napo education minister, talk about education minister. Onwa or parliament in the first section or the first we answer to parliament. Okasa parliament or CNDC we move 46. Pachomeboa. Nana we say.
A lot.
Bunch of failure. Oh, kwaji my men nana do so be see 100 and 111. Until when president speaks, it behoves on the sector minister to uphold that dream and make it a reality. Until when omo parade omo hu nyina so omo pe vice president omo pe running mate e MPP mu a omo dia bebe kohwe say in their various respective ministries e di omo tutu ano what was their track record according to the vision of President Akufo-Addo? Zero. But
to you,
not to me, to the eyes of Ghanaians. They no my ya obetimi don disappoint. That's what I'm saying. Enti vice president and a running mate, you know, enye tigbon kosu bia eni didie no oda no omo say Dr. Bawumia ye man ekwa ma ne nya adwuma. Oh, shame on you. Wow, when they say come and manage the economy, you run away from the economy into digital. Ona the digital ba Ghana. NDC for Papa from the fiber optic form. We were laying the foundation for digital and innovation and technological transformation. One are the digital about Ghana. Shame on you. Talk. When we say Dr. Bawumia Kasidi didn't want him. Apart from the first 100, there be the first 100 days or so arrest CD. What is what CD?
But like, and then I make a choice. Say maybe so. Say one say dollar now is stable.
And she say dollar need more than it
for 6 months.
And what stability are you talking about?
You say no. Gina kakra no my 8 me koso. And you know what are you talking when you say?
Dr. Bawumia time 2017 May. Or held a public for say I have arrested the dollar, and the dollar is relatively stable now 4.2.
Okay.
So when 4.2 is relatively stable from January to May, now say and Pawamana is stable and Pada is stable. The free May ABC Sammy so is stable and
okay.
Then another breaky jail. So we the NDC, we the NDC, and His Excellency the Nation Builder John Dramani Mahama. He knew he's bringing something. John Mahama Atamuzi as running mate. Now obey vice president. Showing a track record in the area of economics, area of economy. On the man city with inflation and now 33 months consistent. Dr. Bawumia check his record on inflation. One more number.
All right, that is to you, Jackson Proud, of course, Nathan and Kano, NDC communication team member, Ashanti Region to be precise, of course, 18 minutes after 7 a.m. Osheye Koowaa morning show. We're going all the way till 8 a.m. Eka cry, I made in Abeneria, baby lines not so now, so afraid, of course, in some I Kano, also know what do I drink, Edia. But before I go for a break, now me bam, yeah, share, say no, I could some boss pillage buy it, and could be brainy, and we say, one akobwa obehwe ne yesi o individual bi say nuaba McBrown kra no akobwa se bi son se bi nyaare yebusuafo omo ho now ebeto dwa enwa say honorable napo yes wakoho akobwa because government ena asuma say onko na onfenoma bi enkoma wo mo abeto dwa say MP o say sa asema omoka no and asema nka ne say mpanimfo mo say omo nsan kanhwe na we does it mean say abai na nka no kre and I said then we'll look into it when I come back. Stay with us. We're going for a break. We're back and continue. Stay with us.
Oh, how to make out for Dory for bigger plus amount. Self-J one a boost to immune system. Make sure say come with Janoshi. They can't no serious one. A cutie I ran getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sada na milk no complain say when I'm Ninaja. Na me man or Dory for bigger plus no. A boost to immune system. Make sure say a can in Mojanoshi. Ama and Nemuk no edgina brand. Hey, sir, Dory for bigger plus. It's in front of me. Who called your motor Jobia? We are Dory for bigger plus. Hey, Dory for Vigo Plus. It is our heart capsules.
It's na yada be catch them say owo na wo say ohododo ana wapomu ayemra na e kire say immune system no ano ayemre e ba na say onya eduro bi te say Dory for Vigo Plus na etimi boost immune system no e kire say e be ka omugya na no hye na etimi akoetia ya we krankro biara a e woni paduani e maru enfi say bosumi edikan no wo fa eduro ya wontimi ne ohokani enhia oba kaise obeyisu panty liner na watimi di boni ehu enoma ebesena ko minua bema kai hunu se bosumi ba akwa kwantu enafom nti se wontimi a no apebibi e de abo mbai
Dory for Vigo Plus enye ma opemfo ena abofra wonya emfie dumienu
Abba, I need you some new. Odifo bakopa awurade ayi na ma ya awiemre mu ni odifo Samson kwaku yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa yempaibo wo kuada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apie so amaye kona kohwe odifo Samson kwaku yeboa nsekire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yenyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa kwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobu jape krom papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina je mmofrei ehwe won kosi se wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokoda na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobu jape krom fre odifo ewo 0243356583 odifo Samson kwaku yeboa osi awiemfo ba
camera speeds
from the break it as a modi for you for about Samson Kwekuye Boasanso and Adori for Vigo Plus for so ye brother or must answer na make break no na me dey to monim say and anope asam person bi sam bedwafo bi mu and say abeto dwa say akosom bo spillage ankofo bebre boa ye nuamo a ensuo eyira form no ma ne omodo munye ba bi na omo ho aye mobo no kofo bebre a support na enwa abaye gidigidi parliament pa multimunsa yentokwa enya asem kitwa say government say odisika akọ eni nuoma akọ boa wo mo nanso MPA ho say enya no kre wo mo nsanka bibia nti mibisa say aban no auditimamifo anase odi edi agro anase den eba ne say na aban di nuoma akọ enka sebi enka MPC bibisa ema ne koye gidigidi parliament. Now I'm beginning with you, Christian. Okay. Eba ne sing mo na moti abemu mo na mo abemu na oyune say sebi se menka ne saa a bonkrofo anasa tonkrofo bi na aban say wodi no mako odi sika aka ho now abeto dwa say se bibisa enkoye mo de edi agro mo kama nkrofo hu se mo ye bibi ana
dan meda wase bi issue ni nyina nse ma catch you say NDC for no bebre na nye serious ewo mine mu bebre na they are not serious na ya na me basset susi ya me fasa akonyo so na akosombo dam village na abano wo mo ya affected ni nyina no ye be mo ya akone ya mo hyeden na ya kase nyankopon nye de enka wo mo ma hoden da bia na dayan onim ya kase okudatu ene be ka se tama VR for kra no so far no na omo be open dam ya mo bia amane ye fitinya na ebie dam wona wo yensa ntwere ni mamusa spillage e bai nipa dodo se na ewu me pacho spillage e bai me busa nipa dodo se na e de wa ba bonten se through the spillage o mawu ase che se okujetu twantoro papa na ya no de edi agoro okaze ya se on okaze Ghana fo asese sabio we ensu ego ha unze obi dance wa ho ene ni window anotimi ye dey eye pe obi okura dan bi okura tima ye dey afaso ensu na dam na ebi no edan bi okura tima ye dey afaso na wo de ekudi imagine say ensu atimi afa dan bi so wo mo nyina nkomu where kan ko mo nyina nkomu obi enu an ho kan ye because omo ma omo information so mba bibi and due to that no obi anye dey emu an na so bi omo no ma anticipate say omo bie no ebetimi aye dey I say because yenim say 1968 na the SCA ebiye dey SCA dam no omo bie ni da bia but we no omo bie ya dey say you ni we aban I don't think say eye boapa ye bi on a part of the VRA for say omo be kunkum voters no aye dey egu na me accident kanyam say me de say upon all this years nyina yentimi record a casualty bia dey ewo ase chesa mpa no mo ya west ade no ebeba etu o mo prepare wo mo ho okujeto in the first place my expose no ha won so obi awu okujeto no so ye MP no onfa records nipa do aso fa e bi sa spillage we no o ma wu onfa mara we ye MP won kan kura akota propaganda nko na osori awe de we ye and this for the maka won kan kure dan na machire so obi awu a we minim senka ade aya ma obi amane ye no all of a sudden na yede aba apiati ebisi wo no unexpected uze hokro nipa yede ewui etika we no unexpected na ade ne yede ekoy na unim nipa ngeze wo ke nipa ngezi wo ye beberepe just no nko fon kan kore e wo ma we mu na said 2008 wo de propaganda bae no ka say this 2024 wo de propaganda ba mo ye be expose mu bibia mbe be expose mu okuja to no ma expose na no pay no so se me boa onfo nipa dodo ewu mra because ade no unexpected ye bie unexpected a enke nipa bewu bebrebe ade ewom je woka ni nyina wa parliament aso a enu a wo ye na no gwagwa ni nyina enye no kre mi ankasa ye finance ministry no o release 2 million na wo kujeto ye mfa mesha wonsam o ye mfa mesha wonsam mu create na mu lutu no ma share ska bie ba musem bia mudi ye mfa mesha wonsam no we discount hwe wonu say no we esi ye rose kura wo kura bebre na ya affected and for that matter no ministry no finance ministry na release 2 million Ghana cedis. So
how come someone release such money and can MP because say he has seen nothing of that?
Na okujeto na ka kire o say spillage na so for e bi no mo nyawe another am mewa wo bi a wo se wo mo nyawe mi wa obi anwo no wuji wedi wuji okujeto edi oyen tronko an wo twa ye MPP on eduru ba bi apart from book na use common sense approach na dey ade me common sense am metra na me dey approach this situation say wo say ya ma obi amanya nke nipa ewu bebrebe ti me dey mesere wo mo say Ghana for especially voters ne say the okujeto kan nyina no kura bi anya dey enim ya release sika ade ato say rose kura be say ne ade nyina ye be dey ye be ye say bi o anya bia no Ghana for do ba bia say dey ka no atorenchen bia si a individuals ne dey ebo mo moden hwe nansan niema pa hodo mo dey akwa akoguo ye bebo Ghana for abaso enema sisi ya na hospitality na na Ghana for no du ba bi e wosoro and for that matter ye be ka se da bia omkoso ano omnye de omnye ni se ya se be ya enkofo bi hu kire wo ma se de amanfo agada na me wo boy yankase ma me ma brown ayi in fact omnyina ya de ayade ye papa despite we enema odi akogu to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kwa release 1006 yes and ye papa Ken we is MPP for guru so no hwehwe sika pa ne ade o maye de o mato ogu Ibrahim Mahama fantastic on riska o mu de ade akọ it means we nu asam na asidie but ebamwa o maye de o manya bi etuduru ba bi yesu exaggerate ne ma say ni a what parliament house endura wa na ni kanse bebre ni ade no and MPP for de bia de ye tumra ne a kire say media na me can say Ghana for enye very careful the oku the to propaganda ne just more propaganda na omudi na nemu no voters ye de ayam omo no omani so papa because masa esi nye easy and amomo watch eduru ba bi atorenchem kura to obi kura ye hunu hwe na mo kura nya dum so nya atorenchem na mo de mai atodo renchem na mo de mai tru ai dum so ntimi de man no sie no the me can say Ghana for ye nyina yem fa support ma MPP because MPP nkwana anything bia e difficult kasa trophy bia be si omanum bia no ede yetimi ye na de enu akra no we de medema no sie no unse ya finance energy minister or the report here de eko enu ami hu wasese yanka ya mie akoso modam na kese nke nyina dasu ke nyina ya dasu
Yekobi ensusu ni yenu amu.
Yekobi ensu na ya affected but I affected no be enwo no ye better than say entire nation nyina ye be shut down energy. Eti Ghana for be sere mo say spillage ni de ya but senki ye miensu aga Ghana me no mienu say light ye nya light
ya na yedum esoi
yedum na so na nka akoso mbo be san so aye de a shut down akoso mbo shut down say sia we obo hu sunsu aso anka be de ka be ma o ma etu Ghana for mo nyina mo nya akoma na minim say de ICA ni de ye nyina ye per solution but the way forward ni say omo try say wo mo aso fa no to say atorenchem na ye de ato omo no the way forward ni say ye nya resettlement yenye permanent resettlement because in future na ebia na yesanso ko bia e besanso di say aye de aba eti yen pe location bia so far ebetimi asisi adan de e de ama wo ma in future bia no o betimi aye de emuvu akọ so be ya we ni sikura na o nya affected bi ma bibia etima aye de aye kama
beautiful Jackson MPC o mu hu hwiu
me say MPP amanokuo benyefo a wo mo tena asenwini kuo na hyase no omo de ade be friend organizational culture and belief eno mo de nam every organization be aseni omo ye omo niema MPP edikan atro and I for the shame they have to bulldoze their way through by way of lies palpable lies two MPP for ya dadaf womo saye oman from fa akronphobia ne womo nse ne etoso nan womo saye patapafo enti eba ne buga takashi emraso tietia womo ye number 1 enya PP for na be ka kire say womo tua na kofo sika na kofo ko ye demonstration womo kwa womo ndua MPP for ene be ka kire say national service for sika womo tua mom ai ade a chin ye demo na national service for dim amai we ene MPP atufo bia ne womo nse womo ka se hwesoro akwese Dr. Bawumia ka se hwesoro na wani mu opeje wani ade beto wani obi edu anopa wo ya alaji timo edu awia wo ye kristoni anopa wo ye kremuni awia wo ye kristoni
that is not what I'm asking you.
I'm building a point so you let me land.
Okay, come
omusu de omo kanya no mo yo Magbrand ko ye yente Magbrand ne ma ko ye yente Ibrahim Ahmad ne de ko ye yente Onua TV fo keka ne ma bo mu de ko ye yente omo mu de akobia ne yente adan na government ko ade do de ko there's no pictures sabi ade sign so to na wantia ti dan ade chin so hu sensu o former for
obe ho
enti adan obi ade ne nam social media cameras are all over abai na nkasa dia wo de ko enwenti
na fa Uganda bi na mo pede aye nti na ne mo so mu
bisa wo say obi a wo de ne de ko ebia exception of the media say Magbrand dey City TV for capture
sure
City TV for Magbrand yedma o
David
onye dmo competing media house
onia
despite mo de o mo de ko yi you TV3 for uncover Adum TV for uncover Now despite onni own media house. And so be uncover me ahwe. Ye kan ye bobo wo bobo bi. Aban dia wo de kwa where are the footages? Adada fo bia no mo nse. Ya no buso se nkofo de ko no mu di betwa fam se enso e bibia ko. Bring your footages. Me say bring your footages. Fa wo camera obey. Na ko de abasa me nua me ba ma forwarding ne me bia ma producer. Ti wada ma onyi no expose NDC fo. Wo hu aban de. Wo hu aban de. E shase na nadmo for the mattress kakra koye enu mpo na soja fo ni dwane ye boja kakra bi na soja fo ni saba back omu tutu boat na omde na mu mantem na omu tutu di akọ aban de awai media fo na mo na mo kohwe na mo ka me nua wote one list omu ede personalities ni nyumaku omu de akọ aban de awai onyi picture bi enwe kato say people for that for na true
picture amadi ya neche so mo boa
na wo dia and in this day the government is the biggest
na no bi be chairman de o se hwe na wa mo mi
o nipa kon no be chairman de we an individual this is a state police form and the police form nam kro mo cameraman so that the media doesn't present a different footages about them me boa dan pare ko be bia woni cameraman
sure
enti aban ni cameraman aban apeka to say MPP aban wo mo ni nsem trofo bebre ye one e chen ye o that one
don't involve us
Debbie
don't involve us
this is a known truth MPP aban wo mo ni nsem trofo bebre e ye fine chen NDC etika say me o
dey am so mo ni ye fine nye izo NDC fo nko na me omonam
but the American say
eno aye se me mo bi nkasa
they say Diane the American say the MPP for e won namfo bebre wo youth e wo media ni mu e bit say polado mo kire one MPP media propaganda media defender enti ko no so kan show yi say na Thursday Tuesday wo ye show enti ko me yin say people are talking about say aban fani dey ko these are the footages hwini ho aban etimodem for ye cap people within the northern region aban a regime a political party on pe wo mo asem kra ye MPP aban ya na akofo do Dr. Bawumia da no wo mutimo de ne omo 2019 akufado prepare budgets a whole budget ayede be ko 2020 fiscal year the whole Ghana or prepare baby ebe kwan nyina voter region we omo free it took okuje tokro yai and omo sorry within the voter caucus and am by revise the budget asa na eji atum obi otimi prepare budget no we voter region for free yet hana tiger waves e hit here bam na fa communities bebre abayen tunensio Dr. Bawumia went to ninensio
are you sure
I'm telling you government and few omukra womu de nya omukan e ka omukra ka voter region ka Ghana hu so they do everything possible I'm telling you
that is not true
meba me say nya hwia asem ni wa ye twa asem bana dasifo ni wa
twabi ho
ye twa hu de adanse enya no press MPP abantimi bo akon masika e mo mai we nyina yi voter region for free mu ana
e dey tell the voter for no mo ka Ghana ho
ye dey enim ne ba wuti mu a wo ye the whole year project the whole year financial budget now we voter region free ye dey can yes Tiger Waves AC voter region me bo ana NC 2021 Tiger Waves AC voter region e pamu kronkro bebre tunkrofo bebre president Akufo-Addo anka we wanka hwe
Jackson
me na me ka cho so George Floyd ye me and the common who America no wa tweet or tweet condolence message voter region when few and then so anye we so assess voter region for so say amount for the niema bre wo mo aban ni mfi wo mo
aban de so ko na so this
aban de ko aban na fa picture bra na be me de se me hu ya mu mienu mu expose me mu show pictures aban de akọ na me come on
look at this
media no expose me ono so fa evidence and map producer and on forward them na mu show na me come on ntum aban we chiri voter region for kokokoko
no that one there
I am telling you
I agree with you
no me copy some evidence be
that one there I disagree with you
you can choose to disagree no me tribal I am making a regional people within voter region and not say votarians please get me straight within voter region MPP for nyaka voter region ka Ghana ho
look at this
enyo mo nya beto aba bia no mo do manasi voter people cross to come and vote na wo mo free ya mo sukro e beto aba wo western region yen ka
wo so free baby etime ba
aha but tem bi o mo make capital out of voter region nya onom koto bodem 2020 omo koto bodem o
okay
baby ya close border ho kwa na dia soja fo konku ye me se MPP aban wo mo ka omo kona voter region eni Ghana map so they will do everything that is why I suspect say ensuo no kro mu bie ye no na wo mbanta esi parliament say wo se wo bo minority for a voter region wo bo minority MPs amania bring the memo need letter now we try now they come on say they should speak to people within their community and their constituency now omun relocating the bisa won say where is that memo wa no na also di bo bia mane hey and no parliament or house of records you have the minority disputing them so omuboa they should bring a memo there's no evidence in written to show and people for the voter region there a car voter region say voter region caucus can free Ghana
no.
Now to me back on Homesica, no voter region.
It's never true.
Ghana
2019 budgets. I did 2020.
Okay.
Abani voter regions, how year no castle year of roads no. Abani voter region for free. It took Okujeto and his other colleagues and Kambom and saying the budget into. And son abani kwa revise do omodi akokan. Wodi man PP abani. Ni omutimi ye. Me say Tiger Waves ACA. A for session of the voter, Grokro Baby, a buy into the near sea, one can't want some quite fun. Onya can swim many woman. And a way swa says, and look at the government response. Quack for the court, as more kind. Make crowd him someone to Abama, Bama Bahano. We are small.
I listened. He didn't say that. I listened. He didn't say that.
Let me make
propaganda.
Let me say what I
say that.
What do you say? Miss Mitty, me my voice net. What do you say? You can't about to walk on Kamon to Abama. Now I want you, starting from you, the chief, to your elders. Wanka you. You don't have to speak to an elder.
Not you. One day.
Yes,
Or say you starting from you.
But starting from you, I know one day.
One day you will go from
yes. Because when you say obey baby,
so can you? What I'm saying is that.
Starting from you. What is wrong?
Please don't. As someone can say you starting from you. I want you to know. Say that to better Obama. But maybe some say in any case, and penny for say foot will be anywhere.
Okay.
And to call she. You disregard them. Akufado bisa say wakaseti ya any Ashanti Akan chiefs be a woman mu wakaseti u
na so kwa wakaseti ya omo
togbe fiti ko kache ne say togbe fiti kache minister say minister ne so me wie mahama school no see na o metu to school in France ase no e dia so na Akufado kan okotra you okotra you peace FM akato no hene say no hene no ono na bema ultimatum any onkonko here is our party anything about voter region President Akufado otikwa no bia ye okache togbe fiti efupa otuma togbe fiti but ultimately fast some of the chiefs in account bracket but when it comes to the voter caucus omu mitimi ma no si no me say President Akufado any Dr. Bawumia Dr. Bawumia kwa den ka show leadership una second man in command say President Akufado so no man agene se won to be nye biemu a and can you show leadership? Nema government ne di animu. President Bawumia ba akọ okoye personal donation. Where is the government donation we are talking about? Show leadership way say you can mobilize government for government to do something. Because of voting, upcoming vote here about near 20. You went and made a personal donation, not a government donation. The people within the voter region are watching. The Amudia Yomo 1, 2, 3, 4 among him. Cassetia womo. So I sent to a man who cancer me. I wouldn't say spillage. For the past 40 years, the struggles in life. What should be here?
Okay.
Obi Honumaf near one labor over the years and generational handover property has been wiped off. But Baby obi beda ene ntontom ni wiase agofo da. Enti the best president could have said is to console them, not to talk about election. But you see,
but he consoled them.
He didn't. He didn't console them. Or say mama hey, no abruje na metesi yesem, insu na mse informing ministerial committee na me ba sisia. Me ba yen soso me ka se ma me ja amokwa. Obeka ni nsem ni no senso mo nto aba ma. We as my
was just
no. You cannot no. You don't trivialize people's living, people's livelihood. You have agro. World Human Index baby any pabeda ni obedie ene ni obehye and otiase e key enti atorenchem sa si obi a you don't talk about voting. But so
I said no sika no wo hwe ni ya enya ade bi ase wo ka no in a serious way
enya serious way but the
same I'm not defending but picture the way Manado said where the president can na
meba in communication
Mate.
Body language
all right
timing
okay
is of essence. Ya obeka ni bra obeka. Tina mpanyifo say.
Alright.
Ya suma benyansafo.
Alright.
Ya suma na motenten.
Okay.
Enu tina tia me a woni masem ka no de ohene to asem mu no.
Okay.
Because hina kan ya you reframe it to better the image of the chief. Ya suma benyansafo. Ya suma na motenten. Ti de odi aye voter region. They are watching. Ghana engu na engu china. Na ochina so e de ne de baba. What do I see?
Jackson Pra, a Ashanti Regional NDC communication team member. Maybe my line is not some Edamon in Sama and a can be to me afraid Edward Jinchaba. I don't know if we still have a rebuttal.
Yeah, I think it's Oko Ghana Web.
Yeah.
Ghana Web. Friday, 27th October 2023.
Okay.
Ufuriata, Finance Minister, donate items worth 2 million to voter flood victim. We can wait me any ebini omode ma womo. This are
capacity of what?
As a capacity of the whole nation.
An individual.
One catch all.
Or see, he donates items, not from the states.
Right, from the states. Make us some. What say any evidence? Yes, one of the evidence. We see any biwa. Oko Ghana we by that. Even call city new room, city new rooms. Yes, Okowa 27th October 2023, and also the house. What are you trying to say? Moba, me say ebina me the picture ibi. Any this is evidence. Ghana Web and that way. City new rooms so sa me it me the actual. Eti diri ba bia jasem munyan tro no ne propaganda no. Na munni message bia. Mo the NDC for incompetence. Who say wa betra tribal politics wa and I dey Akufo-Addo dey on pay vote asem on pay one asem MPP for where under the Fourth Republic buy. Ye man pani Akufo e dey no anye voter.
Ye ka Akufo-Addo.
Na dey Akufo on dey ofi. Say Akufo free CPP on.
MPP.
Akufo free PP.
MPP Akufo.
Me say Akufo free CPP.
MPP
Akufo free MPP. Where Akufo time go there and see the kind of development I have. Now, anye voter on yet me de Pakadan and Fanel.
Pakadan, I shall say.
Maybe I have look at this. Look at this, Massa. Look at this. Look at this. Propaganda.
Pakadan railway construction. It started by John Mahama. John Dramani Mahama. Here, Mami Kasam show. People with no, see, people with
Good morning.
What's that?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, bye.
Me ba cho ma no so kakra ma me na yen ko odi ni baby afra me free.
Kakra free you.
Ba cho yentio.
Ah, me ba cho. And then I have to say my I say, oh my, can you cry? You're telling me now, you are about to maybe the carbon said, Jan, they put to our summer 5 to see about a treasury, and no, they no crack. And I MPP, you know, to a matter of the too much. And so one year, she moved one up at the office now, one of you. A common one you queen, and I was there and so said that. And could be so can be a big yes on my card. A dean in other quarter, and this is one belly. The only in I about the judge said Kakubu police and let's can na ekomo die no sika na ogu qualifying na no fa mo man I found more good for the Bosiano farm woman. Everything for me the same as Mama now or cut Mama intentional. Almost incompetent for one say nine. A form lady almost come one person yannico. Like a whole tray
Medase. ASMO. Also wait me afraid. 48 minutes after 7. Now they say I wasn't fair. I don't even know what to say again. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba choma neso kakra ma me wudi any baby I will frame me free.
Pacho mi dey Anthony Frimpong because I see Nkoko.
Me pacho yo. Anthony enti wano pay.
MPP ni no ti hono no ono we nya bi ma so ne so. E na wonya daje e kan ye enim. Wo se wonya nku asra kama. Ne fo ye ma but omuko position as on so obi anyinku no nyanto no se obi etutu mo bi die Ghana eko ni o ka se mahama ye incompetent Bawumia abe omo ba power na for $1 no eye 4 cedis o si mahama eye incompetent ene eye 12 inti mahama oye den na inflation mahama time 17.5 o si oye incompetent ene eye 43 Bawumia ene oye den nti omo ka so no mon ka no kra ni o nye so omo nya BAD ni nti no omo nya BD ni nti no mo ka ye ni MPP ni akasa abra akufado ekwa voterian for no se camera ekọ obi mu se akufado ko ho adna omo ko mo nyame ho de camera anko nti ma no kra na di.
May I say also to me, friend, thank you so much for calling. Your contribution is so important and lovely. I like it. And also friend Yanko, I can me do na me na hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me ba cho din baby a friend me free Yanko.
Good morning.
Morning.
I me you Upper West.
Pacho yensewe Yanko.
Abdullah. Na MPP ni na whatever. MPP ni na whatever. Asema wakano. Ekona no de. Nda say. De me makano na mu ekwese adwuma mu ye no. Ese wako kan ba ku no MPP ni no ma mu kan tia NDC ni no. Na na NDC ni no ka. Yenyina na hayo. Yenyina tim. Also, what support who ya man can you can support NDC ni what support MPP ni what support no yen kana yen sa we ya juma yen hu se hu bo man nyina why
me support you ya me support o munyina se na me bisa question me so me bisa mo munyina
na you be
na politics no stand it
that's only propaganda.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. All right, darling. Pacho iti wano pay.
Enyeze. Oh, amamoye me die. Ye hu die be campo. Amamoye dia jinse mu ba ye hu die be campo. Oh. MVP ni no to de ma say Saturday no ma say akwadia yi ni 400 million ni dia chana to. Until na de o ka bi bo entity ta no. Amamoye nko yi o. Ye sin aduma so ko say ntimi ye o. Ye pipi pa ba say pipi cement. And I'm by 95 cities. Ultimate to people can get a fiber. Nay, say, Mamma, time not fiber. 8 CD. But see, fiber and 45 cities. That's to the age, ma. You see, I'm a woman, my again. Yes, Roma, one cat of multiple.
Okay.
With the Yentaka, with the Yentaka, the multiple boko. Yes, Roma, I say, Mamma.
All right. Thank you, CP. I come 7 good minutes now. Yeah, call. Also, beats me afraid. I have this message here that's mom, but then I will still read it later before me. Sorry. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mido, now where?
Nyamiado na oswe.
Nyamiado me hoye pa. Yenti wano pay.
Mbacho mo program na me fe na me pese me sumi di ma me
sumi. Yanko.
The NDP ni kan o me NDP ni anso the NDP ni kan no ne kuradi anim nchopa na odido na de mbasa le kan say wo de mun hwega na manyi ayenchini ni enfa ya something to the John ye mpo Asante region ye wo mo zongo na de John be ye Asante region NDP for no wo bibi wo ho a o matimi do mo sa tre enini ana ma yesi wana aya ma yenje propaganda na nyan kan kure na nipa ho ntom nyang ni to wasi amimi yi sa MPT no kan pesa na sentre mu ko ka die no enye kom ketwa wotu bin tio ba school fees wotu bin didi wotu bin ya hwe so ho wotu le a ho tire DP man say ya because of pressure aya mun kan kure na mu ba tra so mamma akomo kunye na yenje ni se 2024 manya po na do mu dina ba gina ho kwa no kwa we condemn onu kura mpo de wa condemn kura da yi na mo ba wo mi na mo de na ba no antro mo ntro onu mpo de yan kan asempo onu mpo de wa condemn ga na kura na ye sremuni o me ye sremuni na me kase na me ndi se ba wo mi obanyo vote.
All right, thank you. Also, obetimi afre na yakwe name. Over Facebook Live, people are just fighting over there, but that's okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But you didn't baby our friend me free.
That's me, Emmanuel. I'm a Western region.
Okay, into. Pacho, into
morning.
Pacho, my Joseph, my uncle.
I got a free Western region.
All right.
I am said the NDC need to work and the million for be from Okekano. No currently, I'm being no credit back up. She has a compare for the Memu and the Mahama Memua. I could for is far better than Mahama because I'm actually Kurano. Only there few education on the mind of a year 2 months for ye and your Jumano. Then that's on fast work. You Mahama says, since or by 2 months, who are in your bedroom for so many experience. To do so bagana. You take a credit on Lamoni, you say, Sabe, we are the Papa to the know. And NDC for no. Because the new community agreed to the for the Mahama. I'm going to send you a Saturday or NDC party. You are my voice on the Muslim religion after one Samuel. But for that, this is who could be into what for the Mahama. Now, just 4 years ago, but then I could look at the Sunday day. What's the sachet? She can't be able to say Ghana. It's almost our neighbor. It is again a media said you, not you live down, so you could hear. What the Mahama can just 4 years back. What do you know she want Ghana? If you can be and the Papa, you can move the Mahama, but then the gentleman in that home. I'm the Mahama. And just 4 years back, no baby. When you are to be 8 years, if they're Ghana could be here, will be a
all right, thank you. Akasiman 9 pepe also with me afraid. Still waiting for your calls, yeah. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho we didn't baby our friend me free.
But your friend is
okay.
So if you had your man I had in Oko Juma Sokra, Yamba, immediately, almost 3 days in the Jumada. Because if you are there, Yama could you know, if you cry, I get to cry, no, 30 feet. See, I'm a man in wide do. Can you come in and keep me at Omano? Wide, see, I could find an emotional CBIF.
All right, thank you so very much. I can't see my 9 pepe also beat me afraid. If I last caller, nothing, no, my back to, yeah. Hello, last caller, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Great. Pastor didn't baby afraid me free.
Nana, I'm going to see you for me.
Nana, ain't you on a pay?
Me about I said, move. Now, I didn't know cafe or my more than anything. What one I didn't know, baby, I did. Baby, I didn't know. Nana, NDC, you know, I think. Nana, Mr. Obi Kata, where did you be in the Yaman and change time? Yaman and change time. To go between Kata and Mampini now, what's the one? Obi to Frau.
Me patrol you. Me patrol me da CP me fa ko baby I think say will lie no.
Just in one day.
I cut it me fa ko baby. Yeah ko final ways na.
Aha me de ye ko na ma me fa sa akonya wesu na me mo me penny ba ko a wakra abaso.
Okay.
Oko national security ya. Me penny ba ko adodo na afre no. Honorable Bright NS Akomia.
Okay.
Honorable Bright NS Akomia, in fact, he's doing a fantastic job for the party and for that matter no. President the vice president when you babeli the party there ye bomb pie say do na friend double national security do na friend double in fact ye kone nchen they will be receive here no ya na e strong okay maybe o ha kra be ko ubewura office bi o kra tete ne ade a ekofu bi di wo be de be fam no ba wodi wo penin so no wo hunu how a o si treaty ne nkofo ankasa eti the make can say double do na frɛ bright and esa komia no I think say make us nyankopon ka ho no ma wo ye koduro hu I think say me de medwumadi bi eto nanim kakra the way of fast so to me respond ade no kire say in fact papa no to me say otie MPP fo asempa ntie be sere MPP fo nyina ne say wo me nyina emfa support ma double say be ya at the end of the day no de wo yi bia betima de akoyie na senia me comment ni no say de na we kan inflation ne sa dollar ne ade nyina ye nhwe ye inflation rate ye de wo soro so still na ne nyama ne bi wo etimi stabilize no dollar ya wo kan wo soro so still na dum so no emayo what I say tie be sere Ghana for say upon all this is nyina free SHS ye de koso tie be sere say for na say mom make sure say 2024 de mo to aba ma Dr. Mahmoud Ba ma be yet my dey come
mama in fa kwanya so chia for be me say all right me chia Dr. Sapon former mayor former regional minister no way pa so say one of the politicians are emulating a lot Dr. Sapon and our face me chia honorable Julius Debra so I went it here Julius Debra me chia na no paper be wo bia afi so me offer me uncle ma de nyina Tapsoba, honorable Tapsoba. Hey, where's Tapsoba? He's around. Wow. He's around. Nti michia honorable Tapsoba so. Great. Honorable Chao. Michia mikuma Asantema NDC. Okay. Fan club. Okay. Ishia wo Roma Hill Thursday BNC bi shia dey meeting. Beautiful. Tikuma nyina no michia oba penye odi kuo no ba Aunt Mary any executives nyina. Na me mi call for ikrum a na me nchia me constituency for na ma nya ade. Sir. For ikrum michia me constituency chairman. Chairman Gareba and me parliamentary candidate Sadat and well. Sadat. All right. Lastly, me team fearless. Ubo for ikrum a your friend team fearless. Oh, na fearless we must team fearless. All the team fearless. Okay.
Thank you so much. Facebook comments, you can message a lot of bomb over there, but that's okay. It's the nature of a Jumano. If you want to me bomb, who say whatever. It's all welcome. Mobombo ne kaho and I'm a Jumano ecoso. Well, and I don't pay 1 million more edi Juma a Christian by Sansana me adorable Jackson Bebe or no me the Sunday this one no one said bend them the banda the pompo or non so by representing the NDC. Of course, Christian happens to be a representative from MPP. And our production crew for this morning, executive producer Ras Samdakos, the CEO himself, Sanso, and I'm director adorable ever always standing by to make sure say no my be kototen akwesi adomako junior OG Sanso and a famous and a facial boy MCR. Me producer number 1 on why any Jake Bebe. Yeah, Jake na making sure say BBI and Snabe come on. Thank you, producer adorable ever. Of course, as the PCB and Koma OD4 area for but something quickly was so and a Dory for Vigo Plus for so ye better woman say one free, one want me and free. One will feed them with by you soon send a bed made in a becost or snaddy. Yet Koowaa Kasakasa and a bebro. Tomorrow is an entertainment day. So the morning I see immediately Diane a boat don't quite shame a Kumasi 104.1 but the Kumasi Kwansi Median Super Sumo. Have a beautiful day. Bye.